Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Rockstar Games account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click on your profile at the top right. Then you want to go down and click Account. And under Account, click Settings. And here next to Password, you want to click Edit. And here you can type in your current password and your new password and click Save Changes. If you're unable to log in, then you can access Rockstar Games from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected either your PlayStation or Xbox profiles, you could try logging in via those methods as well. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to reset your password. To reset your password, you want to head over to Rockstar Games login page, and you want to click Forgot Your Password. Then you want to enter in your email address, and click Reset Password. And now you want to go check your inbox for a message from Rockstar Games. So the email should look like this, and it should come from noreply@rockstargames.com. And you can click here Reset Password. And here you can type in your new password and click Password Reset. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to Rockstar Games support site, support.rockstargames.com. It's on your screen now and it will also be in the description as well. And from here you want to click Account Support. And then you want to click Can't Log In. And then we want to click Compromised Account. And here you can go ahead and fill out the form, so you can fill out your email, ideally the email that was previously linked onto your account. You can also go ahead and enter in your ID for your PlayStation, Xbox, or Rockstar Games account. And for description, you can use the format that I have in the description and tweak it to your situation. And you can upload any files that you may want to upload. And once you're done, you can click Submit Web Ticket and wait for a response from Rockstar Games support. Here are some tips on securing your Rockstar Games account. Secure your email, verify that the email on the account belongs to you, use different and strong passwords across all sites, enable 2FA, and revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party accounts. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.